Good afternoon, everyone. This is Anthony, Wall Street Trader. It's 2:31 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Monday, Labor Day, September 6, 2021. We're going to be talking about farm or harvest finance, and we're also going to be talking about Origin or OGN. Okay, I've already went through the whole intro last time, so we're not going to go through it, but let's just go through my disclaimer. This is not financial advice. The video is intended for educational purposes only. Click the subscribe and the bell. Click the thumbs up. We want people to see what this is all about. Twitter.com link is on the description below the video if you want to see the intraday updates. Let's go into the market, see what's going on. Since our last update a few days ago, I think it was September 3rd, 3 days ago to be exact, farm was around 247.72. So we're currently at 250. Not bad. We're still on this. We are definitely right sitting on that line. We really don't want to go too far behind this, or below this, I should say. So we're going to keep our eye on this. This is a little bit on the scary side. Now, we don't have, a few people have mentioned, that this thing came out a long time ago. It did. It came out a long time ago. The thing is that there's not a lot of liquidity. If you go to CoinMarketCap and you look at the liquidity, it's so thinly traded that you can't even make you couldn't possibly do technical analysis on that price action. But it doesn't really matter. But the point is that, you want to be doing technical analysis on things that trade pretty high volumes, to the extent that you can. Like this is not really, I would consider really high volume anyway, even in today's, since it's been released to the wild on the exchanges, but, it's still, it ebbs and flows. So we're going to take a look at what's going on here in the farm US dollar chart. It looks like just a straight up classical triangle here. We continue to get these spikes. Then we come back down. We do another spike. We come back down. I'm not sure when the next spike is or how big it's going to be, but the important thing is we stay over that support line. Now going over to farm to Bitcoin pair. Now let me just get it a little bit bigger. Now we're definitely resistance and support. So the support over here is still kind of holding. It's actually a little bit below. But again, this line could just as easily be there. It's not perfect science. You gotta move it around a little, but there's a point where it definitely looks wrong, and so it still looks right where it's at. As long as it doesn't go too far down, we're in good shape. Now, this could be a buying opportunity for those who want to get back into farm. I personally don't. I'm not. This is my kind of my cup of tea in terms of investing, but it could be yours. It's definitely a DeFi type application. There's a lot of other ones out there too that do very similar things, like Aave and other ones out there where you can pretty much lend your cryptos for an interest rate. So just know that this is similar to also YFI, Yearn Financial is another one. Anyway, there's a lot of them out there. This is just another type of one. Now going over to Origin. Now Origin is interesting as well. They're both pretty interesting. I like Origin because it's a little bit more unique in terms of its use case. Now Origin right now is $1.33 and change. Last video we had it at $1.26, so it's only appreciated a little bit, but we actually kind of went up to 140 at some point, pulled back. All right, this might be going into a very short-term trend line here, certainly on the up and up. And this trend line really just started only a week and change ago, so I wouldn't take this too seriously here. But, right now it looks like the trajectory is up, and hopefully we can stay over this line as time moves on. And as time moves on, if it does stay over the line, that line will be drawn along the time scale. So it looks really bullish on OGN or Origin, and now we'll take a look at the OGN Bitcoin pair. Again, this one is actually doing really well, obeying this bottom line, which is what you want. You want to see the price action obey technical patterns. It will increase your odds because then you'll be able to see these technical patterns evolve and then be able to act on those, as you see them. So anyway, that's kind of how we are doing since our last video a few days ago. I don't plan on doing these every day, but we've had enough views for me to want to put one more out there. Just keep you guys updated from time to time on these two cryptos. All right, everyone, have a good day.